Alright, so quick little tip on mechanicking or even electronics for today. Here you see the skin of a brand new Bobcat that it's an engine drive welder that fell off a truck. And no, it's not from the estate sale, but we need it, so we have to take we gotta take Humpty Dumpty and put it back together. So, a bunch of stuff fell off the truck. Engine mounts are broken. Armature seems to be fine and everything's centered. Everything seems to check out electronically. No broken anything inside. However, engine mounts are broken. This whole structure is bent up, super out of whack. And so what we have to do is there's a few things broken. The transformer, this one's broken. The bunch of electronic stuff to fix because it broke when it fell. So what we got to do is we got to take the faceplate off, and that's a mess because of all the wires, you see. So the tip today is how to take off a pile of wires, especially when they're all the same color, and remember where they go afterwards. Now you will notice that on these wires there are actual numbers on them. So you can keep a notebook with the number of the wire and what component it goes to. Like here we have 111B and 111C, and we can make a note that that goes to our potentiometer, whatever, I can't pronounce or spell, potentiometer for our amp, whatever, you know. So another thing we can do is we can take a picture. I don't care if it's with film, a Polaroid, or hieroglyph. That's one of the best things to do, because you could write something down and then completely space out about what you wrote down and read it later, and it's a bunch of bogus. The next thing you can do is you get, let's see, where's our, somewhere around here. So I have here little colored wires, and this comes from one of the places you can get this is from telephone cord. You can get telephone cord, small electronics. You just want a bunch of different color wires like you see here. This is just the stuff you get, like what would be in the wall for running your telephone wire or something like that. If you can get the commercial stuff where there's like 50 wires in the bundle, there's a whole bunch of different colored wires, and they've got different color coding. They've that anyhow. So you strip them out of there, and then you'll have a whole bunch of wires, different colors. Take those guys, then you take your dikes and you cut them into little pieces about 4 inches long. Don't cut them too short, and they'll look like this. And then when you take a component apart, quite simply, I've got a red one here, and I put a red one where it goes. And you'll notice I even put a knot in this one because I already have some red ones over there. So I'll have a red one, and then I'll have a red one with a knot, and then a red one with 2 knots. And then when I put this back together, this wire goes wherever I find a red wire with a knot in it. And you get the picture. Another thing you can do is you can put multiple wires on one. So see here, we have a white and a green, and then we have a white and a red, and so on. So I've only got 4 colors here, but 4 times 4 gives you the amount of different combinations you can have. So anyhow, that's today's quick little tip, and I'm just going to go back to digging this thing apart. So hope that helped you, and have a good day.